watching my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome to Coco's Cucina. Guys, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video and any video. And also that notification bell, if you haven't clicked on that, it will notify you of any new and upcoming videos that I release. So again, I just want to say thank you guys very much for allowing me to reach my 1,000 subscriber mark. I truly do appreciate it very much, and the importance of sharing my videos and commenting the videos is greatly appreciated. So guys, without any further ado, we're going to get into this video. You know, we're in the heat of the summer, and all of us love a nice tea. So I just wanted to take you guys back a little bit old school on this tea. I wanted to show you a Santee. Unfortunately, my first video was kind of disrupted due to air conditioning sounds. So I've already done the video, but I just wanted to kind of give you a gist of it. So this is a glass container. This is a 2-gallon glass container, and this is the sparkling, the spring water. We have 2 gallons of the spring water that's added to your glass decanter. Now you can use plastic, that's going to be up to you. However, I don't recommend plastic just because of the health of it and being in the sun, and then you know, all of that, and it's just too much, okay? So if you can avoid getting plastic, go ahead and get you a glass decanter. So the tea of choice today is a Georgia peach iced tea, and this is by HTO. It's a Texas made tea, and what it comes with is 16.5 gallon of tea sachets. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about HTO. It says HTO is committed to excellence in the quality of our products, and we are excited that it can now be enjoyed in your home. The flavorful teas in unique blends of Chinese Keeman black tea, harvested once a year and famous for slightly smoky notes, is combined with the hibiscus flower, which I love hibiscus. Their teas are just amazing. Hibiscus, anything is beautiful. They're harvested in the land of pyramids and endless deserts from Egypt. It is flavored with just the right amount of mouth-watering Georgia peach flavoring, and the caffeine content for this tea is just the right amount for the black tea. So whatever caffeine you get in a black tea is what you're going to get in this tea here. So if you're a person who can't do caffeine, of course you're going to have to go with a non-caffeine tea, and you can do the very same thing. It doesn't have to be peach tea. It could be any type of tea, guys, that you like. But I want you to know that the flavor of Santee is unlike any flavor that you'll ever drink. You don't really and truly have to sweeten Santee. You just put it over some ice and drink it. If you do choose to sweeten it, that's on you. But I'm just saying, it's a whole nother level when it's brewed from the sun. So again, this is HTO, Georgia peach iced tea, and we are doing the Santee method in a glass decanter. And you can also see this decanter has the little spout, which is very helpful, you know, when pouring your tea. So other than that, guys, we'll come back to this video once this tea has been completely brewed and it's to the color of my likings, okay? But thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and we'll see you back here in just a minute. All right, guys, so we're back with our Santee, and I just want you to see the hue of this Santee, the color of it. And this was brewed exactly from the sun, and you can actually see through it. Your tea, you should be able to see through your tea. It should not be cloudy in no shape, form, or fashion. So this is our Santee. And let me know what you guys think about Santee in the comment section. Are you a Santee person? Do you like Santee? Will you try Santee? Let me know if you do, what your favorite flavor is, and all of that. And guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video and any video. Thank you.